golden cliffs above the sea, waiting quietly for me. Every breeze begins to sing, every wave remembers spring. Nothing asks where we belong, only silence, soft and strong. Close your eyes, don't let go. There's a place only dreamers know. Malibu Beach, where the morning meets the sea. Malibu Beach, every wave is setting free. Take my hand, leave the world behind. Malibu Beach, peace is yours and mine. Hidden pathways carved in stone, every step feels like home. Sunlight dancing on the tide, painting diamonds far and wide. Every color softly grows, like a secret no one knows. Time is floating out of sight, everything just feels right. Hear the sea call your name. Nothing here will stay the same. Malibu Beach, where the morning meets the sea. ocean dancing next to me, just as endless as the sea. Nothing waiting down the road, leave behind every load. Every heartbeat feels brand new, every sky shines in blue. Summer air, carry me through the light, across the sea. Every smile feels so true. Summer air feels like you. Golden colors fill the sky, seagulls drifting gently by. Every wave begins to sing, every breeze remembers spring. Let the sunlight guide the way, every moment here can stay. Nothing more I'll ever need, just this light, just this dream. Summer air, stay a while. Every road, every smile. Take my hand, hold me near. Summer air, always here. Every dream. Summer air never ends. Stay forever with the wind. Where the sea meets golden light, everything just feels so right. Summer whispers on the shore, every wave invites for more. Crystal water, endless blue. Every dream begins with you. where the sea meets golden light. Everything just feels so right. Blue horizon far away, calling me another day, where the ocean meets the sky. Dreams can learn to fly. Leave the noise behind the shore. Nothing matters anymore. Every breath becomes so free. You and me, endless sea. Blue horizon, shining bright. Every color feels so right. Hold this moment, set me free. Blue horizon, carry me. Gentle waves beneath the sun. Every journey's just begun. The light is dancing on the sea, like it always waited for me. Every heartbeat finds its place. Time can never win this race. Nothing here will fade away. Only love, only today. Blue drifting without hurry, here beside the quiet sea. Let the city fade behind us, let the shoreline set us free. There is nowhere else I'd rather be. Monte-Carlo Beach, where the sky falls into blue. Monte-Carlo Beach, every moment feels brand new. Let the sunlight find us, let the whole world disappear. Monte-Carlo Beach, I could stay forever here. Golden shadows cross the terrace, glasses shining in the sun. Little boats become a painting as the afternoon moves on. Every color turns to amber, every sound begins to slow, and the sea keeps softly calling like a song we've always known. Let the evening gather around us, let the warm horizon glow. There is nowhere else we need to go. Monte-Carlo Beach, where the sky falls into blue. Monte-Carlo Beach, every moment feels brand new. Let the sunlight find us, let the whole world disappear. Monte-Carlo Beach, I could stay forever here. When the daylight leaves the water and the first lights start to shine, we will carry this forever, like a summer held in time. No beginning, no tomorrow, only waves beneath the moon. Stay beside me in this moment, night is coming far too soon. Stay beside me, where the water meets the sky. Stay beside me, let the evening drift by. Monte-Carlo Beach, where the night falls into blue. Monte-Carlo Beach, every light belongs to you. Let the moonlight find us, let the whole world disappear. Monte-Carlo Beach, I could stay forever here. Monte-Carlo Beach, where the stars fall on the sea. Monte-Carlo Beach, you will always stay with me. Let the music find us as the evening slowly clears. Monte-Carlo Beach, I could stay forever Bonsoir.
Bienvenue à Neptune, là où la mer rencontre la lumière. Fermez les yeux. Respirez.
Candlelight upon the water, summer whispers in the breeze. Every wave recalls a memory, carried gently through the trees. Your smile shines across the harbor, soft reflections fill the night. Every heartbeat feels much slower, everything just feels right. No need for words, no need to run. Tonight has only just begun. Neptune, meet me where the sea meets the stars. Neptune, every moment heals the heart. Hold me close, don't let this feeling disappear. Tonight we're home, right here. Glasses shining, quiet laughter, footsteps dancing by the shore. Every melody remembers what we came here looking for. The moon is painting silver circles across the gentle Mediterranean. Your hand finds mine without a reason, just because it can. Let the waves keep all our secrets, let the evening slowly flow. Some places stay inside you forever, even when you have to go. Neptune, meet me where the sea meets the stars. Neptune, every moment heals the heart. Hold me close, don't let this feeling disappear. Tonight we're home, right here. Morning light upon the sea, silver waves are calling me. Golden air and crystal skies, Capdale reflected in your eyes. Soft horizons, endless blue, every road leads back to you. Where the mountains kiss the shore, I keep coming back for more. Take my hand, chasing colors across the sky. Capdale breeze, carry me away where the Riviera dances at the end of every day. Capdale breeze, stay a little longer. Every sunset makes us fall in love a little stronger. The vocal harbor lights begin to glow. Only dreamers really know. Every heartbeat finds its place, wrapped inside this warm embrace. Tonight belongs to us, no need to run. Every wave remembers what we've become. Capdale breeze, never let it end. Every melody reminds me you'll always be my friend. Capdale breeze, hold this moment tight. Leave the music playing through the Riviera night. One footprint in the sand, the ocean takes my hand. Morning light begins to glow. Nowhere else I need to go. Every wave just sets me free, writing little dreams for me. Time is drifting with the tide. I close my eyes and smile. Footprint by the sea, carry all my dreams with me. Take my hand, walk slowly. Every wave sets me free. Golden sunlight on the shore, need to hurry nevermore. Every breath feels soft and new, every sky a deeper blue. Leave the noise so far behind, peace is all I'm here to find. Every heartbeat moving slow, where the quiet waters flow. Footprint by the sea, stay a while here with me. Yeah. blends beneath these endless skies. Take another breath, let the moment grow. Every mile ahead has its own golden glow. Riviera Horizon, where tomorrow starts today. Riviera Horizon. trees dancing with the sunlight. Nothing here is ever planned. Every smile becomes a postcard. Every breeze remembers me. Another perfect afternoon beside the Mediterranean Sea. Slowly, the whole world fades away. Only music, only today. Palm court, where the daylight turns to gold. Palm court, every story still untold. Stay a little longer, don't let this moment go. Palm court feels like home.